a lot of people will get a lot of different ads and a lot of different mailers sent to them being like, oh, get this Hilton card and get this Amex card, get this Chase card. And it's all very confusing. And then people do what I call shiny card syndrome, where you just apply for 5 different cards and then suddenly you have points in a whole bunch of different currencies and you can't combine them into anything cool. Don't do that. You want to work backwards. So instead of starting with the cards, start with what's the travel you actually want to do for free. And then from there, you're going to research, okay, who even flies from my home airport to that city or that country? Like, what airlines are doing that? And how much does it cost to fly that in points? And what kind of points do I need? So maybe you're going to need some Chase points. Maybe it's Capital One. Maybe it's Amex. Maybe it's Citi. So working backwards that way and then being like, okay, I need 200,000 points to fly my family on this vacation. I'm going to need some American Express points, or I'm going to need some Capital One points. Let's work backwards and see which of the American Express transferable points cards or Capital One transferable points cards are running good promos or good bonuses right now, and let that determine what cards you apply for rather than just clicking on whatever they send to you in your mailbox.